Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just surpassed our first 1,000 miles in our 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 favorite things that we've grown to love about our Tesla Model Y. Some of it may be applicable to our Tesla Model Y. Some of it may be more general to just EVs in general. So stay tuned. All right. I think my favorite thing about our Model Y has been the performance and acceleration of it. And I think maybe it's not just specific to the Model Y or Teslas in general. Probably a lot of EVs are very quick, but just the instant acceleration has been such an awesome experience. Just being able to put your foot down on the accelerator and it just moves. So there's no waiting for the engine to build up speed. So you're not waiting for the RPMs to build up to get in that power band. You're not waiting for the transmission to downshift, right, to get into the right gear. There's only one gear in this car, and as soon as you hit the accelerator, you get instant torque, peak torque, and then it just moves. My second favorite thing about our Model Y is the ability to charge at home. So I think one of the biggest perks of having an electric vehicle is the convenience of charging at home or charging at a workplace if you're able to. So it's really, really nice if we are out running errands, taking the kids to school, taking them to sports. At the end of the day, we can come back home and then plug it in and then charge up the car again. So that's really, really nice. It's really convenient, you know. At the end of the day, when we plug it in, you know, by the next morning, our car is pretty much fully charged up to whatever limit that we set it at. Typically that's about 80%. So, you know, we don't have to, you know, worry about going to the public charging stations or going to the supercharger. Although the supercharger network is really convenient, I know a lot of days now, some of the stations are getting more and more congested. They are starting to open up the charging network to other manufacturers as well. So that leads to, you know, increased wait times at some of the supercharger stations, especially during those peak hours. So really, really nice to be able to come back home and just plug it in and then wake up the next morning and then have a fully charged car again. Number 3 on my list of favorite features of our Tesla Model Y is full self-driving. So I have a 3-month trial of full self-driving from a referral code, which, by the way, I have my referral code in our description box. So if you are wanting to buy a Tesla, you can use our referral code to get 3 months of full self-driving. But yeah, I do love full self-driving. The more that I use it, the more comfortable I'm getting. I primarily use it just on the freeways and the highways. It really helps in the stop and go traffic and just reducing overall driver fatigue. So that's been really, really nice. I haven't used it too much in the local city streets, although I'm starting to use it more and more, trying to get more comfortable with it as it kind of, you know, drives along the streets, takes turns, things of that nature, going into and out of parking lots. So trying to get more comfortable with that. So full self-driving is awesome. Love it. That is my 3rd favorite feature. Since we're inside the car, that brings me to my 4th favorite feature of our Tesla Model Y. And that is just how quiet it is inside the cabin of the car. So I know for the current model year, the Juniper edition of the Model Y, they have 360 degrees of acoustic glass. So that really insulates the inside of the car. So as soon as you close the door, it's just super quiet. It really isolates you from the outside world. Right now, the only thing that I can hear is, I think it's the fan probably for the computer or the display. But that's the only thing that I hear. Otherwise, it's super quiet. When we're driving down the road, you can't really hear too much wind noise. Obviously, you're still going to hear a little bit of the tire and road noise coming through the cabin, but it's pretty minimal. Like when we're on the freeway, we're on the highway, when we're driving, it's pretty quiet. It's really comfortable, and it just really makes for a nice, serene place inside the vehicle when you're driving. All right, and then lastly, my final favorite feature of our Tesla Model Y in our first 1,000 miles is just like the safety and security of the vehicle itself. So I love having Sentry mode available. I love having a dash cam available and not having to install or add anything aftermarket. So dash cam is really, really nice. Obviously, you know, it's an automatic mode. So anytime the car detects an event, it will automatically start to record the last 10 minutes of that dash cam recording. Or I have my little dash cam icon in the menu bar. So if I do see an event and I do want to record that previous 10 minutes, I can go ahead and just tap that button and then record the previous 10 minutes of that dash cam recording. And then Sentry mode, obviously, it gives you just a peace of mind if you are going out to dinner, going out to the market, and you're parking your vehicle. Sentry mode will automatically turn on. So that way, when you step away from your vehicle, if it detects any threats, you'll get a notification, and it will record anything that happens around your car, kind of like in a 360-degree view around your vehicle. So it just gives you that peace of mind. So yeah, those are my 5 favorite things. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so those were our 5 favorite things from the first 1,000 miles of owning our 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. I'm gonna follow up this video with our 5 dislikes in that first 1,000 miles, so stay tuned. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll bring you guys more content along the way as we learn more about our Model Y. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.